Realme is bringing their ultra-affordable Dizo products here to the Philippines. I'm Cholo, and let's talk about it. Realme is one of the most popular smartphone brands here locally, and they sent me a cool box full of Dizo products, so let's do a haul. First, the Gopods D, the most affordable offering at under 1,000 pesos. We have a Pebble-esque charging case that's super compact and will definitely fit in any pocket. There's some branding up top and a micro USB port at the back. It's been a while since I've seen a micro USB, but at this price range, I'm not complaining. The buds themselves have a nice matte finish and don't protrude out when you wear them. It's a real snug, comfy fit. We have a metallic texture for the touch control area, and they come with 10mm drivers with Base Boost Plus. You get up to 20 hours of battery life total and 5 hours on a single charge with the case. We also have environmental noise cancellation for calls and 110ms low latency mode for gaming or watching videos. And to top it all off, we have an IPX4 rating for working out and Bluetooth 5.0 for quick connection. That's a lot of features for just 999 pesos. Next up, we have the BudZ. We have another pebble-like design, but it opens up differently because of the bud's form factor. There's branding up front and a USB-C port below. The buds themselves have a stylish, natural light design that has a sort of holographic effect when light hits it. And they also sport the touch controls on the stem. Compared to the first, it fits differently because we have a pea shooter form here, which still feels really comfortable. We have a 16-hour battery life here and 4.5 hours on a single charge. Not to mention Bluetooth 5.0, 10mm drivers, and 88ms super low latency mode for gaming. Just a little pricier but still affordable at 1,499 pesos. Third is the Gopods Neo. Back to the OG lying pebble design, but this time we have a USB-C instead of a micro USB port. The buds have a matte body with a glossy finish for the touch control area, and they look good to me and also feel great in my ear. They're also one of the most affordable TWS earbuds to have ANC and transparency mode. The former can cancel up to 25 decibels of noise with its dual mic setup, while the latter lets you hear your surroundings without taking off the earbuds. Plus, we have Realme's R2 chip, giving them up to 7 hours of playback time and 28 hours of battery life total. We also get Google Fast Pair, 88ms super low latency mode, and 10mm dynamic bass boost drivers. All those amazing features at just 1,999 pesos. Next, we have the Dizo Wireless. Obviously, these look very different from the others, and that's because they're made for working out. We have a band that goes around your neck where you can find the controls and USB-C port. When you want to take the buds off your ears, the magnets will keep the buds together and in place. Plus, we're getting bigger 11.2mm large bass boost drivers to get you pumped, and 17 hours total playback time. Charge it for just 10 minutes and you get 2 hours of playback. That's not bad. Lastly, we have 88ms low latency and of course IPX4 resistance, because after all, they are for working out. And just like the first pair, these are super affordable at just 999 pesos. And finally, last in the box is the Watch 2 Smartwatch. Yes, not a pair of earphones. We have a nice, neat, minimalistic design with a 1.69-inch touchscreen color display. It has the essentials like heart rate and SpO2 monitors and tracking for up to 15 sports modes. And you can easily customize the smartwatch with the Dizo app with over 100 watch faces. And we also have a 10-day battery life, which means it won't be a hassle recharging these often. And of course, we have the 5 ATM water resistance for the sports you love. And again, super affordable at just 1,999 pesos. So yeah, it's the month of love, so if you're planning to buy one for yourself or for a special someone, all of them have a ton of useful features for different uses. All that Dizo goodness without breaking the bank. You can find them on their official Lazada store. You can check out more reviews on Unbox.ph, and please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Once again, it's Cholo of Unbox, and I'll see you guys in the next one.